Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment, Excel 2E Desert Inventory. In this project description, in the following project, you will edit a worksheet detailing the current inventory of the Marisol Desert and Space Ocean facility. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Open the Excel workbook, student Excel 2E Desert Inventory. Downloaded with this project. I have already opened this file. That's our file. What he is saying in the second step, to the right of column B, insert two new column. To the right of column B, that is our column B, we will insert two new column. Insert one, then insert second one. We have inserted two new column. By the using flash fill in the two new columns, separate the data in the column B into item number and C and name the column D. Be sure the item number and item name display as the column heading and then delete by column B. So we will select here item hash 852. Then we use the flash fill method. Flash fill. We have got our flash fill here, item name, and here we will put item name, and what we need to do, we need to use to put a first name and then we will use the flash fill to fill the other names also. You see we have got the item number and item name in the both separate columns. Split the data. Be sure that item number and item name displays are the column heading and then delete the column B. So now we will delete this column B. That's now deleted. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in online courses like Pearson courses, Cengage courses, Pearson Plus courses, or Canvas courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you will scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. We will move to our third step by using the cut and paste command. Cut column D category and paste it into column H. So we will cut column D, we will press Ctrl X and paste it as a Ctrl H. We will press Ctrl V. We have pasted, cut and pasted our material, and then delete the empty column D. Apply auto fit to the column A to G. So we need to delete the column D, and what we need to do, we will select the A to G and we will select auto fit. So now it's auto fitted. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in the cell B4, insert a function to calculate the total item in the stock by summing the quantity in the stock data. So we will go to the cell B4. That's our cell B4. We will put is equal to sum. We'll start our bracket and we need to select the stock in quantity in the stock which is in the cell A14 to A42, and then we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got quantity in stock in our cell B4. Then apply comma style with the zero decimal places to the results. We will apply comma style with the zero decimal places. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is in the appropriate cell in the cell B5 to B8, insert a function to calculate average, median, lowest and highest retail prices. Then apply the accounting number format for the each results. So we will go to the first to the B5. Here we have got the B5. We will put average formula. We'll start our brackets and we will go to the retail price column That's our retail price column, which is the D14 to D42. That's our range. We will press enter. So we have got our average value in the cell B5, and for median we need, then again we need to find the median. We will press equal to, then put median formula, start our bracket, and select the again the D14 to D42 and the press enter. So we have got the median value, and then we will put is equal to minimum formula, start our bracket, and select our column in the retail price range, then close our brackets and press enter. So we have got the minimum value, and then we will find the maximum value, start our brackets, select the retail price, and then close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the maximum highest value. And what is now is asking, then apply accounting number format for each result. So we will select the from B5 to B8, go to the, we will press Ctrl plus 1, or you will just drag this one so it's now open. We will go to the accounting number format and press OK. We have got accounting number in the cell B5 to B8. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is move the range A4 to B8 to the range D4 to D8. So we will select A4 to B8. That's our A4 to B8. We will press Ctrl plus X. That's we will move this one to D4 to E8. So we will select here. We will press Ctrl plus V. We have got our value in the D4 to E8. Apply the A20 ascent 4 cell style to the range. So we will go to the cell styles, 20 ascent 4. We will select the 20 ascent 4. In the cell styles, we will go to the 20 ascent 4. That's our 20 ascent 4 to the style. We have applied this one, and select the column D to E and auto fit. So we will select the column D and E and then auto fit this one to make it visible. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is in the cell C6 type statics. We will copy this one. We will go to the cell C6. That's our cell C6. We will put this one statics. Then select the range C4 to C8. So we will select the C4 to C8. From the format cell dialog box, merge the selected cells. So this one, format cell dialog box, we will select this one, merge this one. That's our merge. We merge this one. Change the orientation of text to 25°. So change the orientation of the text to 25°. So that's our orientation. We will change it to 25°. And what is he saying? That's our, we have changed this one to 25°. Our eighth step is format the cell C4 with the bold and change the font size to 14 pt. So we will make it a bold and change it to 14. Apply middle alignment and align right. So we will apply middle align and align right. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step, in the category column, replace all occurrence in the parentheses and with Danish. So we will select the categories column. That's our category column. We need to replace this one. We will go to the find and replace this one, which pastries, we will copy this one in the find what pastries and replace with the Danish. We will paste this one as a Danish and we will select replace R. We have made 4 replacements. That's okay, and we have got 4 replacement. We have found Danish here and 4 times he replaced. That's our ninth step. We have total 19 steps of this assignment. I have performed 9 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through the email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.